Folks, as expected, a few showers in the valley today. We had some stuff early in the morning and then it went quiet for a while. And now we're still tracking a few showers that have shown up in the western part of the valley, basically McAllen westward. And now what's left has moved up into the northern part of Starr County out in the ranch land. We're also tracking a little bit of rain there. You can see that. A little bit of rain down to the south and off to the south and east out here in the Gulf of Mexico. This stuff tends to weaken as it comes to the coast. Those surviving inland continue moving off to the northwest, west-northwest. Those will probably stay south of us. We'll watch for these, maybe a passing shower in a few places near the coast this evening. But over the next few days, the rain chances are going to go up. I think by the time you get to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and even Wednesday of next week, that looks to be our best chance. You take a look at this, for the most part, where that shower fired up in the western part of the valley this afternoon, that's about it. Everybody else seeing a lot of sunshine today. One tropical wave sitting right in here, and that's moving inland. And as it does, the moisture wrapping around and pushing into South Texas, giving us the showers we've seen today, the ones we saw this morning, and probably a few more tonight into tomorrow. But tonight, isolated stuff. Tomorrow, sea breeze comes to life again. We see scattered showers around the region. And then we may get a break on Friday with less activity. And then Saturday into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all of this stuff we've been watching begins to move closer and closer to the Texas coast. Still a low chance of development into a tropical system out 5 days. It's going to be tough. There's a lot of reasons why it probably won't. None of the models strengthen this beyond just this wave as it pushes off to the west-northwest. But we do believe the center of this, the core of this, will come a lot closer to us than the core of this one that's down here right now. So it's the same kind of thing, but a little bit farther to the north, and that means our rain chances will probably go up. Let's take a look. Tomorrow, isolated stuff, scattered showers, not a lot, but a few folks will get rained on. You go to Friday, a few fewer folks will get rained on. Yes, a few clouds, spotty showers, but not much activity. And then Saturday, we begin to ramp things up. I don't think Saturday yet is just an all-out rainy day, but there will be rain in the area. So if you're not being rained on, it's one of those days where you see it off on the horizon. Might rain for a little while and move on, and it's tropical moisture, so it could be relatively heavy. So 30, 20, 30, the chances the next 3 days. Quick check in the Pacific. We still have Bud, now a tropical storm, a lighter version of its former self. Should move into Cabo San Lucas with 40-mile-per-hour winds about midnight tomorrow night. And then as it goes into the western part of Mexico, some of this water will fall in our watershed. So we'll get a little bit of rain getting into the Rio Grande, hopefully because of that. As it falls apart by the time it gets into the Four Corners, could cause some flooding problems out there. But again, maybe some decent rain in our watershed. Temperatures across the valley today, mostly in the 90s. Little rain in the west. Temperatures cooled off in the western part of the valley. So for tonight, 78, partly cloudy, an isolated shower, east-southeasterly winds. Then tomorrow, back up to 93, but spotty showers. About a 30% probability for tomorrow. Winds out of the east-southeast. We keep temperatures in the mid-90s. If you're being rained on, it'll cool off temporarily and then bounce back up. But then look at next week. Cool things off a little bit, bring in that chance for showers and thunderstorms. It really kind of starts to ramp up on Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday looks like a good chance of rain for all of the valley. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.